Hey YouTube, what's up? Thanks for tuning in. Check this out. Received my FCX24 today, finally. And what a surprise. Check this. It did already come with metal gears in the portal axles. This was really a surprise. So no upgrade metal gears for portal axle necessary anymore. Bought my FCX24 from Banggood. Wow. Quite happy about this. Did already make a detailed unboxing video, but in German. Sorry for this, but there are already hundreds of videos out in English about this truck, and we do not get it in time here in European Union. But my future videos will probably mainly be in English again. Metal. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope to see you in the next video. I'll be back.